take it all. Here you go.
Certainly, ma'am.
Oh, this is for me too. Really? Uh-huh. Okay, take it. Oh, thanks. Ugh, so many things.
How will you carry all that?
Oh, no worries.
Ma'am, your card.
Exactly. Here.
Oh, well,
Ciao. That's crazy.
yeah.
Great. Uh-huh.
What a wonderful day. Wait. Jeez.
Look! Nice stuff, huh?
Are you out of your mind?
Uh-oh! Huh?
Oh.
Oh, there's more! Gee!
Liza!
Calm down, darling. Huh?
Done.
Huh? Finally he left. It's time for shopping. Huh? What is this? Oh, it's a trap!
Shopping is over.
Oh, Piro, please!
Okay. What do you want? Buy anything.
Okay, deal! Aw, thank you, honey!
Liza!
I gotta go! Yeah.
Liza! Let's see who is smarter. She's not here yet. Oops. Like that. Hop. And this too. Ooh.
Huh? What? Oh, this one too! Unbelievable! What's happening? Oh, why am I so unlucky?
Oh no!
Wow! I need some jewelry!
Ouch! So, we arrived.
Oh, how boring. Oh, it's a nice shop!
What? I have a surprise for you.
Later, darling! I need to check something. Huh?
Wait for me here. Huh? Fluffy!
I definitely need this one. And this one too.
Give it to me.
Hey, that's my phone. Oh, what are you going to do?
Much better.
So, what's next?
You'll stay at home. Liza, I'm at home. Ooh. Are you there?
Sure.
Oh, who's this? Oh no. Delivery, sir.
What?
The promotion is only valid today. Hurry up!
I'm broke. Is anyone watching? Nope. Great. Today is the day. She has to say yes, I hope. Anyway.
Oh no! I'm not ready yet! Hurry up, Liza! How on earth? Ugh! I hate Murphy's Law! Anyway, this is no time to panic.
That's strange. Shall I? Huh? Oh no, I've got to do something and fast. Uh-oh, nothing's working. But what if... Ta-da! I'm genius!
Why won't this come off? This is a disaster!
Huh? Liza?
I can't keep Piro waiting this long. Aha! Oh no! No! Ah!
Huh? Is she okay?
What? What am I gonna do? Oh, how could I forget? This is my last resort. Abracadabra! Aha, that's better. Honey, you're stunning.
What's happening over there?
Hi! Sorry for keeping you outside.
Hey, no problem.
Make yourself at home. I'm gonna leave you here for a second, okay?
Oopsie. Oh, I screwed up. I can let Liza see this. Oh, here is my way out. Lovely.
Why are you still here? Come in.
Sure.
Huh? I didn't know you liked this style.
Love it.
Whatever makes you happy.
What's wrong with these slippers?
Take a seat. I'll be back in no time.
Okay. Time to relax. No sex? No problem. Maybe I was wrong.
It's gonna be so romantic. Huh? What a mix-up! What am I gonna do? Aha! I know! Problem solved!
Uh-oh.
Ew!
Ew. That's better.
Everything's ready! Could you open the champagne?
Of course.
That was loud.
That's for you. What's wrong? Chin Chin. Time for action. Liza, I have a question. Will you marry me? Here, that's for you.
Well,
Is it, no?
it's a yes.
No, that's the wrong hand.
Huh? Okay, here you go.
I'm so happy.
Huh? A party? Awesome! This is the perfect opportunity to wear my new dress. Aha! Here it is. Pretty dress, party makeup. Wait, party makeup? I know! Internet to the rescue! Party makeup.
First, you'll need foundation and a special sponge. Put some foundation on the sponge. Here you go.
Aha! A sponge. Just the shape I need. Okay, now I'm ready. Let's do it. Some foundation and a moist sponge. It's working! Ah, ew! Ah! Whatever. I know an easier way. Some foundation and my hand. Here and here and here. Looks amazing! What's next?
The next step is some blush on your cheeks. Use a brush to apply it here and here.
Oh, looks pretty. But a brush? I've got a plan. Come here. His tail will make a perfect brush. I knew it. Huh? Huh? What's wrong with you? Oh, stop wiggling. Just go. Okay, what now?
Don't forget about your brows. A special gel will help you style them. Voila!
Brow gel? What can I use instead? Aha! This will do! Can't wait to try it! I've got an idea! Why don't I use a toothbrush? My brows are gonna be perfect! Ta-da! Ugh, something's gone wrong. Ugh. Whatever.
Eyeliner is an important part of any party makeup look. See for yourself. Pretty, isn't it?
Eyeliner? As far as I remember… Yay! I need to be… Ouch! Ow! Okay. Ah! Huh? That won't do. Luckily, I know how to fix the damage. Ugh. But… never mind. Much better.
Liza, I'm home. Where are you? What are you doing? Huh? Oh, pretty. So, party makeup? Wow, Liza must look stunning.
Ta-da!
Oh.
What's wrong? It can't be that bad. It can! I look horrible! I'm a loser!
Don't cry, sweetheart.
No parties for losers!
Why not? Look at this.
Huh? fit right in. Hi. Let's rock this party. Hey guys!